to another video. This is going to be a quick one really, because I've just acquired another F1 French Army tent from my friend JJ. It needs a little bit of work, but the most exciting thing about it for me is that it comes with the outer fly, and these are really hard to get hold of, so I'm really looking forward to getting this up and trying it. But first I need to do some work on it, because I don't know if you can see here, get out of the way, this silicone lining here is starting to perish and come away, and I'm a bit dubious about how waterproof it's going to be. I intend to use my F1 and this fly on a camp that's coming up soon, so I need to get to work. I need to scrub off all the old lining, clean it down, and reproof it. So it's going to be a bit of a long-winded job, so I'm going to do a lot of it on the time-lapse, and hopefully you'll see at the end the finished results out at camp. Cheers. The first thing I needed to do was to lay out the tarp and start scrubbing off the old loose silicone that had started to flake away. Once I'd gone over both sides of the entire tarp, it was time to hang it up and give it a wash down to remove any final bits that I'd left behind, and just to make sure it was totally clean. After leaving it to dry overnight, I then came back and started applying it with the silicone sealant. After doing some searching on the internet, I decided to go with Fabsil, as I already had some and this seemed to be best for the job. After giving it a good coat on both sides, I then left it to dry for 48 hours. Okay, here it is. So it's a little creased, but that's because I've been storing it in a dry bag, which is how I'm going to store it in future. It appeared that all the creases where it had been folded and stored the same way time and time again was what had made the silicone crack, so I'm trying to avoid that by having it sort of just roughly rolled up and put in the dry bag. Dry bag is also helpful for when transporting it back after a camp, to keep the rest of my kit dry. I have been out and used this the other weekend, and it did rain quite a lot and it held up brilliantly, and yeah, it's worked wonderful. So I'm really pleased with this piece of kit. I'm going to be using it a lot more with my French F1, and yeah, can't wait to try it out again. I had a brilliant night out despite the rain, and was just cozy and warm in my tent and dry. That's the main thing. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.